I think it's been a great conference. The content's been great. I've enjoyed all of the speakers. It's a good mix of discussion as well as substantive content, as well as a good mix of traditional and new players in the payment space. So I think it's going very well, and we're excited to be a part of it. Sure. Well, Alston Bird has had a long-standing presence in the EU, and it's a critical market. It's an exciting payments market, very dynamic, lots of opportunity, lots of challenges, and certainly a place where we think that we can provide value-added services to all of the players in the European payments market. So, excited to be here, excited to be a part of it. Wouldn't have it any other way.